Hello, 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 Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a package from Safay that I purchased. I took it out of the envelope because the addresses were everywhere. So we have this, which is a little thank you card. It's really cute. I can use that for something. Here's a tag. Okay. Then we got a flower, a fabric flower. This must be her freebies, this here. Then we have this applique of a peacock. We have another card. Okay, we're going to use that for something. Then we have this piece of trim here. And then she always sends her packages with a bow pin that has a tassel or something to it. Oh, this is a ring. Oh, y'all. It's adjustable. I got some new jewelry to wear. Look at that, how pretty. Oil spill. And then there's a little charm here that has some bling on it, and then the tassel. And then she has some sari ribbon here, or yeah, ribbon. So that is that one. Let's unwrap this. Ooh, big piece of fabric here. We have this trim, this trim, this one, this one. I think all her packages come with trim. She has some really nice fabrics. This pink one, oh, this is pretty. With gold in it. And then this is why I got it. Peacocks. I love my peacocks. Dragons, peacocks, all me. Then we have this beautiful piece. It's sari silk, but it feels like really satin silk. And we have this piece here. Then we have more of this one that don't have the gold in it. And it's some pretty big pieces that you do get in here. And here's this one. Okay. And then last but not least, this is what she wrapped it in. So I'm going to put all this back together like so. Take off my little ringy here and put all this back in here. If you stay tuned till the end, you will see photos, up close photos of all of this. So I will say this, please be kind, be caring, be positive, be safe, be blessed. be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, don't forget to visit Safia's channel. I will link that down below, and you can make your purchase. So, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.